Thank you for inviting me to the seminar on jurisdiction and abundant spouses. Before I talk about the role which my government is extending in helping the cases of abundant spouses, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Rahil Tariq, as already mentioned, and I'm Third Secretary at the High Commission for Pakistan. Let me state from the outset that I have no background in family law, and that's why the discussion today I've found extremely enlightening. Though I do have a family, and the scratches made by my 15-month-old on my face are apparent. So, I deal primarily with Pakistan-UK bilateral relations, which I am happy to inform are more meaningful and purposeful than ever in history. The relations are based on sound footing. The bonds of common history and cultural affinities are strong and enduring. Pakistan considers the United Kingdom a trusted friend and an important ally in the Western Hemisphere. Both countries share views on regional and global issues and closely coordinate on areas of common interest. These relations are reinforced by a strong Pakistani diaspora, which numbers more than 1.2 million in the United Kingdom. And I know we've been discussing about our diaspora, so as to say. The close cooperation and understanding that transcends all levels of government and the people is supervised by the highest political offices in both countries. The other aspect of my fascinating job, among others, is that I get to meet people from all walks of life and to understand issues which may not necessarily deal with my work, but these deal with people in general, and most of the times with the people of my country. So I'm delighted to be here in the presence of legal fraternity and to deal with an important issue. On today's seminar, I must say that though the number of such cases as the one which we have discussed today are few in numbers, but extremely important to my government, which always endeavors to help its citizens and foreigners visiting Pakistan. At the same time, we must also understand that family issues are sensitive, complicated, and difficult to resolve. Even at times, most of the information is hidden and facts skewed. On a related issue, I must inform you all that Pakistan and UK have a protocol on children matters, which was signed by the judges of both countries in January 2003. This is a judicial understanding which aims to secure the return of an abducted child to the country where they normally live, without regard to nationality, culture, or religion. In this regard, liaison judges have been appointed in both the countries. There have been some high-profile cases where children have returned. One such case, if you remember, is that of Atiya Anjum Wilkinson, who was returned last year. In this, my government was instrumental in first of all locating the young girl and then securing her return to the UK. Before I conclude, I would reiterate my government's strong commitment on such social issues. Thank you.